That's the before. That is coming out. So let's figure out how to do this. And then we're gonna have a brand new looking shower. So we already put up a curtain several months ago in order to stop the water and dirt and grime getting into the tracks, but it still gets dirty. Those tracks are the most disgusting thing in all of an RV. Like, black tanks are nothing compared to like those shower tracks. So if you have this kind of shower, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So we're taking it out. We're done with it. Here goes nothing. First screw's out. Take our current shower curtain down, or at least move it out of the way here. Get this screw out. That one's a lot smaller. We'll actually reuse that one. We reuse this one for our reuse this for living room curtain rods that I have to do.
Have to do.
Get into this dirty shower.
We're not going to show you the bottom of the shower. Oh!
So dirty in there.
So dirty in there.
What do you want me to do? Grab?
I think I need to take the shower curtain off completely.
Shower curtain's coming down.
Mommy, you don't want me.
We quickly learned after moving in that the shower frame was very gross every time you showered, so we saw some others who, instead of using the frame, they just put a shower curtain that you would in a regular home in front of the frame, so that way it wouldn't trap in water and sit in the frame, and we would have to clean it out after every shower. So we've been using the shower curtain in front of the frame, but sometimes the frame still gets a little wet, and we've just had enough.
I gotta figure out how to just turn it to get it out here. This thing is easily about 100 pounds.
Ooh, that frees up some weight to add some more things.
Except we're already overweight, so this will help. Anybody need a shower door?
Nice. Throw it up on Marketplace.
Jeez. That's... This thing may be I feel like this thing's like a couple 100 pounds. Okay. That part's done. This one we're gonna have to take a knife to. Let's get the rest of this out. Still not a lot of room in here. That one doesn't want to come out. Rusty old screw.
Try to get me.
Yeah, we gotta.
One
I guess they did a good job putting silicone on here. I don't know how that bottom light's gonna come off either. Are these screws here? Yep, there's screws right there also. Okay.
Put the game boat and hook. See? It's not hurting me. It's Bobby not hurting me. And hook. Look at this. Hook. That's a very big thing. That we do.
All right, so we have the two side panels off here. We gotta scrape up all that. Now, the part that we don't want to show because it's so dirty and disgusting, and the main reason why we're doing this, the screws are stripped. So, having a fun time trying to get that out. So once I figure out how to get these screws out that are stripped, then we just got to scrape all this off, and then we're gonna fill in these holes here where the screws went in, fill those in, and then we're done. So let's get these stripped screws out. We're going with the wrong size drill bit and good old rubber bands. That trick has now worked for two of them. The third one I still cannot get off, but we're gonna keep trying. I have all these drill bits here, and we're gonna find the right one and the right size rubber band, and we're just gonna get this thing out soon. Okay, listen. The entire frame is out. Even the bottom part. We still just have one screw that's stripped and still in there. I was actually able to just wiggle, you can see here, the last part of the track that I had broken off from this part here. I was able to just wiggle it off of the screw. Now, what I'm about to show you is disgusting. This was underneath the track, okay? So we clean the track at least weekly. Usually every travel day, we would clean the track. And this is still what's underneath. This is why this is just absolutely disgusting. But you can see that that's the final screw, but it's gone, it's out. Now we just have to get the rest of all this caulking off of here and actually fill in some of these holes, but the door is done. The frame is done. Now, I'm telling you, this door, it feels like it weighs like 100 pounds. So we are definitely freeing up some weight. I wish I could lose like 35, 40, 50 pounds, but we're gonna lose the weight with this door. This is done. If you're thinking about doing this, highly recommend it. The bathroom just looks bigger too. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and we'll show you the finished product.
One more frame. How long did this take you?
95% of it took like 5 minutes. The remaining 5% took over an hour and a half. And all of these tools. But the job is done. And it looks good. Actually, the job is not completely done. We still got to scrape off all this caulking here. But we'll get to it. We'll scrape it all off. See? There's a piece right there.
There's some extra cleaning.